Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In the last video, we saw how to make two characters talk to each other. In this video, we are going to complete the second part of this project. In the second part, we are going to make these characters move. For that purpose, we need to understand a very important concept of coding, that is a loop. So let's go to control, and there are three kinds of loop that we have over here. First is repeat, second is forever, and the third one is repeat until. These three loops are there. Okay, before understanding all these three, firstly let's understand what is a loop. So a loop basically means to repeat something again and again. If you want to repeat something a limited amount of time, for example, repeat something 10 times, then you use this loop. And if you want to repeat something forever, till the project stops and something should keep on doing, then you use the forever loop. Here you can make it repeat 10 times, or you can write 5 over here. That depends upon you. If you know how many times you want to repeat something, then you use this repeat loop. And if you don't know how many times to repeat, and it should keep on going till you stop it externally, or till a condition stops it. For example, two characters touching each other, you don't know when they are going to touch. That time you use a forever loop. Okay, and the repeat until loop works. Now how it works is you have to put a condition over here. If that condition is true, if the condition is correct, then the loop stops. And if the condition is wrong, then the loop continues. Then it keeps on repeating itself. Okay. So this is a unique kind of loop. This we are going to learn in separate projects. We are going to learn this with the help of projects. We are not going to discuss this today. Okay. So today we are going to discuss the repeat loop. Forever loop we have already used so many times in our previous projects. So we are not going to go into this one. We are going to understand the repeat. Okay. Now how a loop works, that is same for each one of them. Okay, I'll explain you with the help of this butterfly. Now what I want this butterfly to do is I want it to start from here and go till here. Okay, one is that you go to motion, you take the help of the glide block. That is one way. But if you take the help of the glide block, it will not change the costume, and it will just slip through the stage. It will not appear as if the butterfly is actually moving and it is actually flying in the air. So for that, what we are going to do is, there are two ways. One is move 10 steps and second is change. This change block we already understood in the previous project, in the maze project. So you can use this if you understood it over there. You know how to use it over here. You want to make it go towards left, so you can just write change x by -10. This will also make it move. See, the butterfly is going. But right now we are not going to focus on this. We are going to focus on this one. Now see, move 10 steps it is making it go towards the left side because our butterfly is already facing towards the left side. This move block helps the object to move in the direction in which it is already facing. So our butterfly is facing left, so it is moving left. Okay. So we want to place it over here. Okay. Now, if I place this butterfly over here and I click on this, see, it is moving only this much and then it stops. I want it to move more, so I'll repeat it more times. If you put a bigger number over here, let's put 100. See what happens. It is taking very big jumps. I don't want it to take bigger jumps. I want it to take smaller steps. So I'll just say 10 steps at a time and repeat it. Let's try 40. If it reaches, if 40 works, it's fine. Otherwise, we are going to change it. Okay, we don't want it to start. See, if I said 40, it reached till the end. So it's fine. 40 is fine over here. Okay. So I'm going to keep it as 40. Now observe very carefully how it is moving. It is moving like a robot, right? If I go to the costume and I see, if I switch the costumes very quickly, it appears that the butterfly is actually moving its wings. So I can take the help of these costumes. So what I'll do is, over here, I'll go to looks. I want the costume to change very quickly, and which costume it should take? It should always take the next costume, whatever it is having right now, just change to the next costume. Okay. And how, when it should do, this should also be repeated. So I'm placing it inside the repeat. Now, if I save now and if I click on this one, now see, it is working. Now, how is this one working? So what a repeat block or what a forever block does is, firstly, it will make this block work, then it will make this block work. Then it will try to come over here and it will check the condition. Have I repeated myself 40 times? If it is a yes, then it will go to the next block that is over here. Okay, whatever it will be over here, it will go to the next block. If it has not repeated itself 40 times, it will come over here to the first block. After doing it once, it will go to this block and do it also once. Then again it will reach over here, again it will check. Have I repeated myself 40 times? If it is a yes, it will come out. If it is a no, then it will go back to the top. Again it will come to this block, move block. Again it will move 10 steps once. Then it will switch to the next costume. Then again it will check. Like this it will happen. Okay. Some people think that once this block will run for 40 times and then this block will run for 40 times. No, this is wrong. This will not happen. Okay. This first block will run for once. Second block will run for once. Okay. Then again, first block will run for the second time. Then this block will run for the second time. Then this block will run for the third time. This block will run for the third time. Like this, it is going to happen. Okay. So basically, if I create a block chart for this, how it will work is like this. This is how it is going to work. Okay. Move 10 steps, then change to next costume. Then move 10 steps, then change to next costume. Then move 10 steps, and then like this, it is going to work for 40 times. Okay. I hope this is clear how a loop works. Now, if I check the butterfly over here and I make it move, it is going very quickly. So what I'll do is, while moving, after every costume, it should wait over here. Okay, I'll put a wait of 0.5 seconds and I'll place it over here and now I'll check it. 0.5 is too less. So what I'll do is 0.2. Let's try that. Yeah, I think this works fine. If you want, you can place it as 0.1 also. That is your wish. Alright, let's put then 0.1. See? Now it is more realistic. Alright. So this is how it is moving. Now I'll just need to attach it over here. Like this. Okay. The same thing I need to do with the bear as well. So I'll go to the bear. I'll again take the repeat block. Then I want it to move. Then next costume. And what was the third block? It should wait. Now, and for the repeat, I think 30 will be fine for the bear. Let's just check it. Okay, 1 second is very less, so 0.5. 0.5 is too much. 0.3. We'll just take it, place it here. Now 0.2. Yeah, this is much better. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll place this one also over here. Now we'll do a final check for our project. Let's click on the green flag. Okay, just one problem that when this butterfly is speaking this for last 2 seconds, the bear starts walking. So before walking, it should just wait here for 2 seconds. That was the only problem that was there. And rest it is working fine, but the bear is not going out of the stage. So what we'll do is we'll put a 40 over here as well. Okay. Now this, how many times you have to repeat it, that depends upon your starting position. Okay, how far it is from the ending position. So that many times it has to move. Okay. So this can be changed. This depends upon your project. This depends upon the position of your characters. All right. Now, I hope you understood this project and I hope you understood the concept of loop. What is a loop and how it works. All right. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we are going to learn something new with some new game. I hope you are enjoying these sessions. If you are, then please click on the subscribe button and please click on the like button as well. And we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.